All right. So, in today's class, we will try to discuss a recipe. So, Piali, suppose you have made fish curry. So, please share with the class the recipe. That means how you have prepared the fish curry that you will share in English. So, what is the topic? Piali has made fish curry and she is going to share with you how she has prepared this particular fish curry. Okay, so let's start. Yes, Piali.
Okay. I bought fishes. Then I washed the fishes properly. After that, I mixed turmeric powder and salt. Then, after 5 minutes, I switch on the gas oven. After that, I put on the pan in the gas oven.
I
Then
put a pan on the gas oven.
I put a pan on the gas oven. Then, after 1 minute, I gave some oil, mustard oil, in the pan. After that, after 1 minute, oil was hot.
Right.
Then I gave 5 pieces in the pan, in the oil.
Mhm.
After 5 minutes, fish was ready. Then I gave the fishes in the separate bowl. Then I gave some ingredients in the oil, like black cumin seeds, tomato, red chili, turmeric powder, salt,
Oh,
etc. Then I stirred it properly. Stir it properly. After 2 minutes, I gave some water in the pan. Then I stir it properly. After 2-3 minutes, I gave 5 pieces in the pan. Then I stir it properly. After 2-3 minutes, the dish was ready. I then I
served
shared.
it. I
Yes, served.
served the dish.
I served
Correct.
the dish.
Absolutely, I served the dish. Very good. One simple correction. Stirred. STIR মানে নাড়া উচ্চারণটা স্টার এখানে এটা পাস্ট
Yeah.
ফর্মে হলো ভার্বটা ওকে ভেরি
Okay,
গুড
ma'am.
ক্ল্যাপ ফর হার yeah very good next I'm going to ask Mamoni. So Mamoni will be teaching us how to prepare fish curry কিছু শেখাতে গেলে will আর কি ইউজ হবে have to right let's see start
You have to buy a fish. Um, then you have to clean the fish.
right
Uh, then you have to turmeric powder and
you
salt.
have to
You have to
marinate the fish.
marinate. You have to marinate the fish, turmeric powder and salt. Then um, then you have to on the gas.
Switch on the gas.
Switch on the gas. Then
Right.
you have
You
to
have
uh,
to put a pan
put
on the oven, on the gas
put
oven.
put a pan on the gas oven. Uh, then uh, uh, you have to boil the pan.
Now you have to add oil in
Add
the
oil in
pan.
the pan. You have to add oil in the pan. Uh,
Right.
then you have to um, মাছগুলো দিয়ে দিতে হবে ফিশ
You
পুট দ্য
and you have to have you have to put the fishes in the hot oil.
oil. You have to
The,
put the
huh,
fishes in hot oil.
right.
Then 5 minutes fry. You have to fry to five
Fry the
minutes.
fishes. You have to fry the fishes for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Then you have to um, mm, mustard মানে mustard paste and
Okay, one
mustard
minute.
paste.
You have to fry the fishes for 5 minutes, you said, right? You have to
uh,
fry the fishes for 5 minutes. Okay. Then you have to add
you have to
mustard paste
mustard paste, mustard
in
paste
the
and
oil.
in the oil, mustard paste and green chili paste in the
Okay.
oil.
Okay.
Oil. Then you have to uh, boil water.
Then you have to add some water
Add
and
some water and
cover the
uh,
pan with a lid,
cover
মানে একটা ঢাকা দিয়ে cover করে দেব, and
cover
let
করে
it
দাও।
cook for some time. Let it cook for some time. After
হ্যাঁ,
some time, the dish will be ready for serving. বলো,
for
the dish will be
the dish will be ready for serving.
very good. Now I'm going to do something that is related to fish. Excuse me. I'm going to ask you some questions. You will be translating these lines in English. I'll say the Bengali line and you will be saying the English lines. Okay. So let's try. First line is এই মাছের ঝালটা মানে ফিশ কারিটা কে বানিয়েছে? Now anybody can answer. Okay.
Who made this fish curry?
Very good. 1 mark to Ambek. Next line. Um, মাছটা কি ওভারনাইট ম্যারিনেট করেছিলে? মাছটা কি ওভারনাইট ম্যারিনেট করেছিলে?
Do you
করেছিলে, বলেছিলে, শুনেছিলে?
Had
Piali? Yeah.
have
Correct. Say, Elena.
had you overnight the fish?
Had you? No.
have you
Marinate,
marinate
actually.
overnight?
Marinated the fish overnight. Okay. Next line. Um, তুমি কি রোজ মাছ খাও?
Do you take fish daily?
Okay. Next point. Any question? Now Piali will ask some questions with fish. Let's see. Piali, you ask.
ওকে, তুমি কি ধরনের ফিশ খেতে
এটা হয়ে গেছে.
পছন্দ
This
করো?
is over.
ওকে, ওকে। আচ্ছা, তুমি কি চিংড়ি খেতে পছন্দ করো? Do
Do
you
you
like
like chingri fish?
corn?
Prawns.
Prawns. Do you like
Okay.
corn?
Prawns.
Do you like
Prawns.
prawn?
Yes.
ওকে, তুমি কোন ধরনের ইলিশ পছন্দ করো? ভাপা ইলিশ or ফ্রাই ইলিশ?
Which
Which
are you
type of
like?
which
Which
type
type
of
of
fish are you like?
do you
No, no,
like?
sorry. Do you like?
Which type of fish do you like?
Do you like
এটা কি ছিল?
ভাপা
ভাপা?
ইলিশ or
না?
ভাপা ইলিশ or or
normal
ফ্রাই ফ্রাই ইলিশ? ফ্রাই
Oh,
ইলিশ।
I
Fry
see.
ইলিশ।
So Papa Hilsa or fried Hilsa. You can say Ilish also, no issues. Okay. Okay, that's all for now.